Welcome to the workshop. This is the place to be for all things riding. This is a space we developed for you so we can teach you a lot of quick tips to make your life as a biker much easier. Today, we're going to talk about something that a lot of riders often ignore. How to properly maintain your helmet. Because trust us, nobody wants to be the stinky rider in the group. There are three main parts of your helmet. The shell, the visor, and the padding. Let's talk about the shell. The shell is the outer part of your helmet. It's what has all those really nice graphics that you saved up months to buy. So in order to take care of it, you need to make sure that you don't place it on tables or on the floor with the graphic side upside down. That is a really easy way to scratch your helmet, and you want to make sure that you avoid doing that. Don't put your helmet in your side mirror in your bike because that's a really easy way for it to fall and get scratched. Also, if your helmet came with a helmet bag, make sure to carry it wherever you go so that you avoid your helmet getting scratched and hitting it on walls. Now let's talk about the visor. In order to clean your visor properly, don't use just anything because that's a really easy way to get scratches all over your visor. To clean it properly, make sure that you remove the visor from the helmet first and then you run it under water. You take a clean microfiber cloth and clean it with that. Avoid paper towels, avoid household chemicals, and avoid rough cloths. Now let's talk about the padding. The padding is that part of your helmet that absorbs all the sweat and gunk from your ride. So you want to make sure that you take special care of this part of your helmet. One really easy way to take care of that part of your helmet is to wear a balaclava. Balaclava helps absorb all the sweat and gunk from your helmet, and it helps you keep your helmet cleaner for much longer. Even if you're wearing a balaclava, it's still important to wash the padding of your helmet. So here's how you can do that. First, remove the padding from your helmet and keep it inside a bucket with cool water and mild soap. After it's washed, take it out, rinse it one more time with clean water and let it air dry in a well ventilated area. Make sure there's no direct sunlight hitting the padding. Don't twist the padding because this can ruin the fit of your helmet, and make sure you wait until the padding is completely dry before you install it again in the helmet, because if you don't, this can cause bacteria and fungus and basically ruin your padding. And don't forget, wearing a balaclava helps you keep your helmet cleaner for longer so you don't have to wash it as often. And that's all for today, you guys. If you have any more tips or tricks that you want to share with our community, leave them in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.